So today we'll be installing the new GrovTec jam nut for muzzle devices. This one will fit a 1/2 by 28. We'll be replacing the old A2 flash hider and old crush washer with the jam nut, as well as replacing it with our GrovTec G-Nite. We recommend you use 2 wrenches, one of them being an AR wrench and a 3/4 wrench. So we pre-loosened this muzzle device. So we're just going to loosen it. With this crush washer, it came off easily, but you may need to use a cutting device to remove it. We'll clean the threads. We'll take our new jam nut. This will replace the crush washer, and we'll thread it on like so. So now that we have it on as far back as we can, then we're going to install the new muzzle device. In this case, it's going to be our G-Nite. So now that it's touching the jam nut, we're going to rotate it to the manufacturer's recommended location, and in our case it's going to be where there is no ports on the bottom. And then we're going to take our jam nut and loosen it back out, and if it's bottomed out, it may take you putting a wrench onto it to kind of loosen it up, and we are relatively there. We're going to tighten the jam nut up against the muzzle device. So now that we have both pieces contacting each other, we're going to take our wrenches. I usually use the thinner wrench onto the muzzle device itself, so we're going to use the armorer's wrench. And then I'm going to take the 3/4 inch wrench, and we're going to tighten to each other. And you can use it, we can kind of do like a scissor motion to tighten them. You will get a little bit of movement, so you can actually adjust a little bit as you go if it does move. So right now the muzzle device is not moving, but I am tightening the wrench where the jam nut meets it, and now it's tight. Thank you for watching. This is Alan from GrovTec. I hope to see you in the next video.